My name is Mary Lulafan, and I'm the Artistic Director of Te Pura Rahura'a. Today we pay tribute to Cameron YEE, a dancer that has been with us since Te Pura was created in 2006. Cameron lost her battle with cancer in January of 2021 at the young age of 22 years old. She had a beautiful spirit with an infectious smile and a kind heart. On the dance floor today are some of Cameron's Te Pura sisters, many of whom danced with her for over 15 years. This piece, Pua Tokumoto, was originally performed at Tahiti Fete of San Jose in 2017, where Cameron last shared the stage with all of us. Today, we perform this dance once again to celebrate Cameron's beautiful life, and we know she's here with us in spirit. We love you.
Te Another round of applause for Te Pura, Rahura'a.